This is the most genuine time I will ever say, what the f is this? What the fuck is this?
And we are back with another episode of What the F is this? A series where we break down tech jargon into what it actually means for you. Today we are asking, what the F is OnePlus Open?
Deep dive edition.
That's right. Last time we did a deep dive with the Nord N30, which you can check out on our page, but this one, this is the much anticipated OnePlus Open.
Oh yeah, man. We basically had to sign our lives away to get our hands on this bad boy early, just so we could break it down for you fine people, so be grateful.
You know what? It's worth it. So, the Open is OnePlus's first foldable, which for those who don't know, is a phone with the ability to unfold into a tablet.
Man, I love a good 2-for-1.
Yeah, and it isn't just any foldable. So this is the thinnest and the lightest foldable ever in the US. And it still manages to have a 7.8-inch dual hero display.
Crazy stats. Wow, that thing is a Goldilocks. Well, the Samsung's foldable is too skinny, right? So it's super weird to use as a phone. And Google's foldable is too squatty, so it kind of takes away from the tablet experience, so.
Oh, okay, yeah. So the OnePlus Open is just right? Goldilocks, just right, yeah. So now you'll have all the space you need to create to take notes, watch videos, play games, you know, all the things you like to do on your tablet, but then you can just fold it right back up. And bam, it is a regular, lightweight phone that lets you make calls and do stuff normal people do on their phones, like text or call or Santa, I want one of these this year.
Yeah, normal people things, exactly. Like calling Santa.
Hey, I have him on speed dial.
Okay, so that closing action, did you guys hear that? It's so satisfying. Can you do it again? Oh man, it's so clean.
Hey, just one more time. Ooh. You know, look how it goes from being nice and flat in this tablet format into, boom, completely flat with zero gap.
Hey, I got a question. I've never had one of these foldable phones. How do you make it so that the screen on the inside doesn't look all like foldy?
Okay.
Crumply, you know?
Right, so that's where the crease minimal technology comes in.
You're a crease minimal.
Anyway, that is the whole point of things that are foldable, screens like this. So you have to be able to fold the screen without it breaking or looking foldy.
Yeah.
So the Open has like a water drop hinge, you know, this thing right here. And that gives it a slightly larger hinge radius. So the result is less crease and screen deformation over time. But there's also a bunch of these teeny tiny little micro openings around the band that help relieve some of that pressure when it's folded. Plus there's a bunch of other cool technology that makes it super durable without compromising the modern, elegant fold aesthetic that we love. Look at that, 90-degree fold, no crease. 45-degree angle, no crease. No crease, no space, 10 out of 10.
So basically, a bunch of smart people figured out how to make screens that fold over and over and over again without breaking?
And the best part is that is just what is on the outside of the phone.
Well, it's what's on the inside that matters most, right, everybody?
Yeah, you know, that's just like what our moms always used to say. Love you, Mom. So, you're gonna be all happy to know that this phone's specs are on par with the latest and the greatest flagships, with the features like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor with up to 16 gigs of RAM and 4.0 universal flash storage.
So, wait, you're saying we can game on this thing?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it has the visual quality and the response time to handle whatever games you're into. I mean, which not only opens up new possibilities for gaming, but entertainment as well. And if you're creativity, this phone will take you to the next level.
That's right. If you're an aspiring creator, whatever your niche is, the Open has you covered and will quickly become your go-to tool for your filming needs.
Or if you're like the rest of us normies and you want a great phone to snap pics of your friends and families, this phone can handle it all. And it still has the power and cooling tech to pull double duty as your daily driver. Plus, it has a 67-watt super fast charging technology. So you can get a day's worth of power in just 30 minutes.
So you're telling me it's got the fastest charging of all foldables out there?
Yeah, and like another thing that makes this phone unique is the multi-app split screen efficiency. Your ability to juggle tasks is gonna be unmatched. So what I mean when I do talk about multitasking though is that the Open lets you drag and drop simultaneously and run up to 3 apps side by side. So you can be on a video call, you can take notes and chat with your colleagues all at the same time, really wherever you are. And this really helps you get the full use of this massive display.
So, we just talked about a lot. Let me get this straight. This phone has the power for gaming and entertainment, the space for creativity, and it's still small enough to function as an everyday phone. What's the catch? Something's gotta suck, right? The camera sucks.
No, actually, the camera is actually one of the best parts. So it has got the triple lens Hasselblad camera system with pixel stack image sensors for low light and HDR capture and Dolby Vision. 3 times zoom capabilities, the works. I mean, the camera's got it all. And get this, so you know how the rear-facing cameras are the better cameras normally? But on a normal phone, you have to use the front-facing camera if you want to use the camera for your selfie so you can see yourself, right? So look what happens when you just unfold your phone here.
What? Oh, what? No way.
Yeah.
This, you guys, having this kind of dexterity totally changes my content creation game.
Yeah, and then some. I mean, if you are an aspiring content creator, check it out. I mean, the Open is, and we don't joke when we say this, a literal game changer. I mean, you get film quality video in Dolby Vision for all of your content creating needs.
Back to my question. What the fuck is the deal here?
What do you mean?
A tablet that fits in your pocket, the thinnest and lightest in the US, high-end screen, camera, chipset, and it's still a better value than other foldables out there? That sounds like a dream come true, so why doesn't everyone out there have one?
That is the question, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah, that's why I'm asking it.
That is the question. But folks, today, that is all we've got for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get the latest What the F videos. The OnePlus Open has officially launched, and it's open for pre-orders.
I see what you did there.
Open for pre-orders.
Yes, I got it. I picked up on it.
All right, so visit oneplus.com or click the link in our description. And as always, don't forget to drop us a comment and let us know what you're looking forward to with the OnePlus Open. Later.
Auto phones, let's call.